KN and TA are going to be doing Rumble Through.
KN here.
So I'm going to be doing the first shot. And it's going to be off the wall into the rim. And that is our dirty hamper.
And that's the wall we'll be
Here we
in.
go.
Woo! And it's in the basket.
Y'all can't touch me.
Now, it's TA's turn. TA's turn.
TA might miss it.
Most likely.
Oh! Oh, KN's turn.
Boom! Ready? Super sidearm.
He made it. Let me go. So this is gonna be off. I'm not done. Off that wall into there.
Trick shot
Wait, no.
into the laundry room.
Pick it up.
And he makes it. KN's turn.
TA can't do it because he spilled a bunch of Doritos Jacked. So it's KN's turn.
What about me?
You came in late. And it bounced out. So it's now Ari's turn.
Woo!
And then, as you can see, my other brother, SA, will be in the next Room Ball 3. And
it's Room Ball 2, starring KN. You've seen me in the other videos, like Pudding Cup and The Boy Who Couldn't Dance. So,
Room Ball.
neither can he.
Ready?
And it looks like we're in the same clothes because we all did these few videos on the same exact day.
Okay, so it's his turn again. And this is his last shot, and I'm gonna get one last shot. He makes it into the laundry basket. Right there. So TA is gonna have the last shot of the day.
Hopefully.
Here he goes.
He beams it in there.
I'm gonna have.
the champion.
I will let my brother. Stop! I will let my brother SA have one turn after me. All right.
He's the champion. I'm the champion.
Tyler, you didn't finish picking up them Doritos.